Hello everyone, in this video we are going to make a zip file using PHP. Also we are making a script to unzip the zip file using PHP. So let's begin. I have a folder in my localhost named images and a couple of images inside that. So I am going to make a PHP file in my main folder. So like I am going to name it zip.php. Okay, you can see the file is right there, and I am going to create a zip file from this directory. So if you have something like a complete download list or uploaded images, if you want to make complete backup from that, you can use this code. So for that we have to use a class called zip archive. It's included in the basic PHP package, so you don't need to worry. So this is our code. So here we have to name it our zip file like images. You can name it whatever you want, images download, okay. And we have to set the path to the folder. In our case is images. Also you have to change this path and this path. So it will open that directory and take all file into that zip and save this, and let's refresh the page and you will be able to see that zip.php is here. So just click it. Okay, it's showing nothing because we didn't add any messages for completion, but we can see the image download .zip is here. So we can open that zip folder and we can see all the images files inside it. So this is how we can make a zip file using PHP. You can find this code from my blog and I will give the link in the video description, so you don't worry. Okay, so next we have to unzip this zip file. So I am creating another file called unzip.php and I am copying and pasting my unzip code. Sorry about that. So now we have to define the zip file path right here. So we have to define our zip file name here and save it, and you have to specify the extract folder. So where you want to extract it. In our case we have to extract to like extract folder. Okay, we can run from here. Okay, I am clicking this and nothing happened. I'm sorry, we have to remove this. Okay, we just rerun it and we can see the file is now in our directory, and this folder, open this folder and you will have to see. Okay, this is how it works, and hope you learn how to make zip file using PHP and how to unzip a zip file using PHP. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one and the next day. And you can find all the codes from my blog, and I will give the link in the description and the first comment, so check it out.